right, Joe Teti here. I actually didn't want to shoot this video, but I'm going to. So, because I'm guilty of sin of saying, you know, you don't want to have a pretty target. Well, I had a pretty target right up till I shot this round, which is not in the A zone. The rest are all in the A zone. A nice tight group, you know, nothing wrong there. But this one shot. But guys, here's the deal. You know, it's going to happen. You know, I don't shoot every day. And even people that do shoot every day, they're going to throw a round every now and then. It's fine. I'll beat myself up over this round till tomorrow, guaranteed. But that's just the way I am. I consider myself pretty decent shot, but it happens. You know, lost concentration. Maybe I didn't have that front sight in focus like Dale was talking about. Maybe I didn't press the trigger. Maybe I was healing. Who knows? That's why this drill that I just did, there is so much going on. You're going on and off safety. You're putting it all together. You're gonna sling a round or two, and there's one right there. It's in the B zone. That's unacceptable. That one right there. That one right there. See it?
Hey, it's Jimbo over here at TRS Survival with another tip for you. This may be one of the most important tips you ever get if you're ever caught in an urban meltdown. You know, like say there was a complete breakdown of our modern society, like if the power grid went down for a long time or something like that. Our own government estimates that within 6 months of a massive power grid failure, a shocking 90% of urban Americans will die. Are you ready for something like this? Most guys aren't, or they think they are, but they're really not. Mainly because they've been listening to and getting bad advice from the wrong people. Because while some folks will band together and help each other, most people will simply panic and resort to looting, brutality, and even murder to survive. You can imagine how desperate and dangerous things are going to get. Which is why I brought in former Delta operator and Green Beret Dale Comstock to give you the real scoop. Dale's been a combat soldier for over 30 years, and he's seen up close and personal what really happens when a modern society like ours suddenly comes to a crashing halt. It's not pretty, and the survival of you and your family will have little to do with bushcraft skills or what kind of tree bark is safe to eat. So Dale will show you 2 vital survival tips. Number 1, he'll show you exactly what gear and supplies you should pack in your bug-out bag or rucksack, and it's probably not what you think. Most people don't have anything like this ready, or they load up their sacks with the wrong kind of equipment and survival gear. These mistakes can cost you your life, but now you'll know precisely what you have to have ready and what you can do without. And number 2, you'll discover how to operate as a military patrol unit in a live combat situation. Okay, these are advanced military combat tactics almost never taught to civilians. It's intensive instruction that will have you and your buddies or your family operating like a well-oiled combat-ready commando unit. Okay, I wish I could show these videos to you right here, right now, but I can't. I can't risk having my channel banned. But you can get them all for free. Just click on the link in the description. I'll see you there.
Thanks for watching our video lessons here at TRS Direct. Hit the like button down below and consider subscribing to our channel here on YouTube. Hit the bell icon and we'll send you a notification when there's a new lesson available. Thanks again for watching.